Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Nissan Sentra. First, ensure you have all the required tools and safety gear ready. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the front wheel and carefully detach the brake caliper and rotor, setting them aside without straining the brake line. Now, let's get to the core of the replacement. You may need to drain some transmission fluid before proceeding. Carefully disconnect the lower control arm and the tie rod end from the steering knuckle. This will allow you to swing the knuckle out, providing enough space to separate the old CV axle from the transmission and remove it completely. With the old axle out, it's time for the new one. Before installation, clean the transmission and wheel hub splines thoroughly. Carefully guide the new CV axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats properly. Then, reconnect the axle to the wheel hub assembly, making sure all components align correctly for a smooth fit. To finish up, reassemble the brake caliper, rotor, and wheel. Torque all bolts, including the axle nut, to the manufacturer's specified values for safety. Refill the transmission fluid to the correct level and inspect for any leaks. Finally, take your Nissan Sentra for a test drive to confirm everything is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.